All right, let's go over gold first of all. Let me show you what we do. All right, so let's check gold out. Let's get this down a little bit more. All right, so this is the updated JaySignal that everybody's going to be getting. I'm letting it run this week, testing it out. As you can see, we're in a beautiful trade this morning. Here's how it works, okay? A number one's going to print if it's at a session high, okay? A number one's going to print if it's at the session high. Once it prints, once you get a trend change, JaySignal will have a big red arrow that fires below it. That means there's a trend change. Once that trend change comes up, a 2 is going to print below that, and you're going to look for an ABC short, okay, if it's with overall trend or if you're back inside market profile. So the ABC short, you're going to look for an arrow down, let the market come back inside the eclipse. It just did it. I'll go over it down here in this corrective wave up. Number 3, it nailed the low. But you're looking for a third wave down or an ABC, an impulse wave, after a 2 comes up. If it's with trend or you're below market profile, above market profile, or if you get back inside of it. So you can see the big red arrow, these fib dots will not plot unless you're below the black line. You'll not see any red fib dots. You don't see any blue fib dots if you're above the black line. That's going to be a little trend filter for you. So you can see we got below LVA, really weak. We got the red arrow short this morning here and a red arrow short this morning here. So it caught wave 3 and it caught wave 5 on 2 impulse waves JaySignal did this morning on gold. It was a beautiful trade. Both of them broke LVA to give you really weakness in the market, and we're already in a 5-minute downtrend. Now I took the 5-minute trend filter off here because I got it over here in my black charts, but we have that put on NinjaTrader also for you. There's a 5-minute trend filter already built into JaySignal. I just take them off because we're looking at the black charts anyway, and I want to focus on wave patterns. If you look what happened, so the 1, 2, 3 wave caught the high on gold this morning. Now check out the low. It gets the counter waves also. If you look the session low, my indicator plotted a 1. My trend change plotted the 2. And then the eclipse or the retracement zone, you'll see it now. The eclipse will pop up with lines below it. That indicates we're in my retracement buy zone. And it happened right here at the blue dots. And there's an arrow. So this is a 1, 2, 3 long. Just like this is a 1, 2, 3 short. So what I am going to do, I am going to take this 3 off. I'm having the programmer take the 3 off so you can concentrate when it comes in the zone. And you just look for the red sell arrows with a sell arrow, red fib dots with the sell arrows, or a blue, which it happened down here, with the green arrow. So what you're going to get is you're going to get a 1 and a 2. You can see it called the corrective wave up, and then it got the wave down also with overall trend direction. This is a wave 3 down and a wave 5 down with overall trend. So gold traders, you're handsomely rewarded. It's only 8:30 this morning, and some of you guys are done for the day. A lot of times with these signals, especially if you catch off these session highs and session lows, you can be done by 9 a.m. in the morning. Only trading about an hour, 15 minutes to hour and a half. Typically, you're done about 2 to 3 days out of the week out of 5 trading days before 9 a.m. in the morning. All right, if you get on these corrective waves like this. So this signal is really going to help you out, especially the 1. The 1 means you're coming off of a session high. I'm looking for a really good motive wave or a corrective wave. Motive wave is with 5-minute trend. This is a 5-minute motive wave down. And the corrective waves will look like this, a 1, 2, 3 pattern. And you get inside the eclipse with the arrow. It's as simple as that. Don't make it any more difficult than that. Okay? The 3s I would not pay attention to. I'm actually going to remove it from the program. I've been trading a lot of markets with this new program, and I like it when the 1 and 2 plot, then I can focus it coming inside the eclipse with the arrow. Makes it real simple. The other thing you're going to notice is that these fib zones automatically plot now, and they will show it lines above and below the eclipse. So it's running real smooth. Everything's looking good. As long as you don't put too many charts up on this thing and you have a decent sized computer, this thing is cranking it out. All right. So Gerald, go ahead and go to crude oil. Okay, if you're looking at crude oil, that's a 1, 2, 3 short this morning. Gosh darn it. There's a 1, 2, 3 short. Now here's the same thing. Here's oil. Here's what the program caught this morning. what you're looking at, the 1 is a session high, the 2 is a trend change, and you can see the 3 popped up into the retracement zones. Exactly how it did that corrective wave on gold just a second ago. So the key, guys, coming off of a session low or session high, if you get the 1, you know you're at a session high. You get the 2, you know you're in a trend change, looking for an ABC short, ABC long. Only if you're inside a market profile and or with 5-minute trend. Okay? So these are really a neat program how we put this together here. So really easy to do. The arrows are nice and big for you, easy to see.